unbox my new year packages with me. Now this was given to me by my brother. You guys, I'm this kind of a person who has never received gift growing up. I'm that kind of a person who has not been loved. Like I did not receive that parent child love and association, and I feel like I've been pouring a lot in people's cups and they have not been doing the same. And actually I realized later that I was doing the wrong thing, so I made resolutions of staying away from people and from everything that drains me and that tempers with my mental health. Now, this bathrobe was given to me by my brother. Actually, I received it on second January 2025, but I decided to open it on 11th. I hope that makes sense. I love it. It is white. It is so soft, and I love it. So, too, I have this package. This was given to me by my friend. She's called Gigi, and girl, they are so nice. They are so heavy. It's not like I don't have glasses, but this was so thoughtful of her. I just got it from her and I love them. Actually, I really love them. But guys, I have a question. How do you determine how do you know that people appreciate or love you or appreciate what you do for them?